Guys, hi, my name is Lillian. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm back again with a very interesting video as usual. Okay, so guys, I got a surprise for you all. Nico, I've gone for a small vacation at Riverine Resort and Spa, Nocras Riverine, yeah. So this is the video of the room tour among other many videos. So we are starting with the room tour. So guys, let me give you a small room tour, a room tour of our small room. Please subscribe if you've not already subscribed. Like, share, comment. Yes, help me grow, help me get to at least 500 subscribers, guys, before the end of this year. Okay, do you agree? Yeah. So let me give you the room tour of this place. It's so beautiful. It's so deluxe. We have booked with Spot On Vacations and they were so graceful, they were so nice. I mean, we even booked a standard room, I guess, and they have given us a deluxe room, as in it's so nice, it's so beautiful. Right now actually niko ndani. I'm at the balcony and the views, wait for it.
My heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers as the darkness in me lingers. Was praying for possibilities, lately got the best of me, yeah. You got the best of me, embracing our insecurities.
Then from the bathroom we have this beautiful mirror here.
We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I, you and I.
Let me show you guys this. Wow, can you come closer? Guys, there is this safe here, and then we have these rods. Oh my god! This was like the first thing I made sure there is before booking a room, guys. I mean, you can't book a room with no bathroom. Wow! I like this. Oh my god!
Possibilities lately got the best of me, you got the best of me, embracing our insecurities, better to cry and set us free.
We're just from I'm just from having supper. I'm super tired, but let me finish with the room tour. So in case you notice a change in lighting, pia nimechange outfit, nimechoka. So let me finish with the room tour. You guys enjoy. I think I left you at the mirror, or is it the wardrobe? So right from the mirror we have this couch. Wow, this is where we have placed our shoes. We have a dustbin. We've already put some used masks and stuff. So here is the couch. Wow, inakapua, and the table and the fan. Nice. Wow, the walls are just so beautiful, and the lighting in this place is just wow. Right.
We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I appreciate you all. Maybe comment down below and tell me how the room was, or if you've been here, what kind of room you got. Yani, comment down below, tell me what you liked about the room. As for me, I just love the bed. Yani, it's just perfect. I love it. It's so comfortable. I'm happy. Yani, I got what I expected, guys. I am so happy, guys. Oh, yani, paying for something and you get exactly what you wanted is just a happy thing. So, guys, thank you so much for watching up to the end. I appreciate you all. Sana, and please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Please hit that button now. Come on, just subscribe. Let me give you a minute. It's at the end of the video, but please do subscribe, like, share, help your girl grow. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers before the end of the year, guys. Oh, before the end of the year, not go December. But faith works. Yes, guys, please subscribe. I love you so much. Mwah!